Oh, hi there. Let's have a look at some tree diagrams. We're going to use a previous question. A box containing 4 red and 2 yellow tickets. 2 tickets are randomly drawn from the box, one without replacement, so our numbers are going to change. Now, on our first one, we could either get a red or a yellow. So here are my branches. Then for my next one, I could either get a red or a yellow. On my second draw, I could get a red or a yellow there as well. Now, if I got a red with that first one, I've got a 4 in 6 chance. For yellow, I've got a 2 in 6 chance. Now, because I'm working down my tree diagram and I've taken them out, there's only going to be 5 left in the jar. So if I got a red one that first time, means there would only be 3 red and 2 yellow. Here, if I got a yellow there, there's going to be 4 red left out of a total of 5. And here a 1 out of the total of 5 because we've decreased the yellow. So both are red. So what I would do is I would work my way down that chain. So the first one was 4 out of 6 multiplied by a second one, 3 out of 5 equals 12 out of 30, which will cancel down. The first is red and the second is yellow. So that would be first is red, second is yellow. So 4 out of 6 multiplied by 2 out of 5 is 8 out of 30. So that's how you construct one. Remember to multiply down the branches, and if you're not replacing, you need to take 1 off the denominator. Let's do another example. So one of the students in the class playing a musical instrument, so 60% are female, 20%. So if 60% are female, 40% or 0.4 are going to be male. 20% of the females and 30% of the males play the violin. So 20% of females play the violin, 0.2, which means 0.8 of those don't. Keep in mind that these have to add up to 1. So adds to 1. This is going to add to 1, and this adds to 1. So of the males, 30% play the violin, 0.3, which means 0.7 do not. Let's get rid of that for the meantime. Oh, doesn't want to go. Oh. So we've now completed our tree diagram. What is the probability that a randomly selected student is male and does not play the violin? So is male and does not play the violin. So that would be PR bracket M and not violin is equal to 0.4 as I work my way down the chain times 0.7. Pop that into my calculator and get 0.28. Plays the violin. Now we've got 2 options here. It doesn't specify whether it's a male or female. So we could be a female and play the violin. So probability of violin. So 0.6 multiplied by 0.2. We've also got the other option of being a male and playing the violin. So 0.4 multiplied by 0.3. Now, we've got to add these probabilities together. So if I add them together, that will tell me the probability of playing the violin. So we pop them in my calculator, solve, so I've got 0.12 plus 0.12 equals 0.24. Alright, remember, multiply your way down the chain. If you've got to add multiples together, so you would add these 2 together.